Hello, what are the benefits of meditation and how to practice it? When you start practicing meditation daily or as often as you can, you become more relaxed, more peaceful, you become more calm, your immune system increases, your positive emotions increase, your emotions in general become more regulated. You trust more in life, you let go the control, you become more satisfied, less detached from many different things, and the stress, the anxiety, the depression, the sadness, they all decrease. So your life quality becomes so much better when you practice meditation. And it's so simple to practice meditation daily. It just needs some of your time and the desire to do it. And you can practice anywhere. You can practice in your room, in the nature. Nature is more relaxing and calm in general, so it's nice to do outside. If you can't, you can easily do in your room, anywhere inside you are. And you just need to sit straight, relaxed, peaceful, and do any of the meditation you like. And there are many different types of meditations depending on spirituality, depending on your desires, on your choice. And for example, many years ago I chose the Christian meditation, and I simply just got wooden beads with a cross in the end, and I was doing meditation according to my Christian background, and I was simply doing, "Oh Lord Jesus Christ, please be merciful unto us." And I was repeating this line on every single beat. Then after some years I felt that I want something different, and I discovered another mantra, which is Maha Mantra, and it's also, I do them on the beats. They are slightly different, also from wood, and they just don't have the cross, and they are very simple, very neutral, and you can even do any mantra, any prayer on such a beat, because it doesn't have any religious specific pathway. You just can use for any mantra you want. So I use for Maha Mantra. You can also use any mantra like Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. You can use any spiritual background that you want, that you choose according to your spiritual background. And if you don't want to relate with any spiritual background, you can simply use the beats, and on every beat tell, "I wish everyone happiness. I wish everyone happiness," and just repeat this line on every single beat until you go to the end. And you can do one round, you can do many rounds, depending on your time, depending on your desire, how much you want and how much you can to give for meditation. But when you do that, you feel so much more calm, so much more relaxed and peaceful. And also another type of meditation is to simply be still and calm within your heart. You can just close your eyes and relax and be peaceful and feel your inside, your emotions, what is happening inside. You can listen peaceful, calm, meditate music, and just be aware what is happening inside. What do you feel? What do you think? And try your mind to slow down and try to be aware of your feelings. Are you sad? Are you worried? Why is it happening? And try to connect with yourself, with the Supreme within your heart. So any meditation you do from your heart, do with the wish that you want some change in your life, to be calmer, to be peaceful, to be more compassionate, to be in harmony. And if you do at least 15 minutes a day, or as much as you can, as much as you want every day, you will see how you charge your body, how you charge your mind, how you feel more peaceful within your heart. It says we shower to keep our body clean, and we should do meditation to keep our mind clean, because we have so many thoughts during the day that bother us, that we have so many problems and worries that always stuck in our mind, and it just contaminates our mind with different kinds of thoughts. And to be more calm and peaceful with the meditation, we can more relax, we can be more peaceful, we can become better, and we can live a better quality of life. I wish you happiness and find the best way to do meditation.